Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Confirm the stone is brittle and cracked across its face. Hold it over a soft cloth and tap gently to detect hollow or powdering areas that show delamination. Measure length, width, and thickness in inches before repair so you can select a backing plate and amount of epoxy. Common stones are 8 inches by 2 inches and 1/2 inch thick. Note grit rating and any delamination or powdering, because a brittle stone with internal crumble requires full mechanical bonding to a rigid substrate before use. Choose a rigid backing plate about 1/8 inch thick and size to cover the stone plus a 1/8 inch perimeter for clamping. Aluminum or steel works. Mix a 2-part epoxy per manufacturer ratios for strength, commonly 2, 1 or 1 by volume depending on the product, and add filler if you need gap filling. Keep working time in mind. Apply fiberglass cloth or mesh to reinforce the bond. Lay a thin epoxy bed on the plate. Press the cloth into the epoxy, then seat the stone into the adhesive bed and clamp flat. Clamp the stone flat against the backing until fully cured. Curing can take from 6 hours to 24 hours depending on epoxy and temperature, so follow manufacturer guidance. Trim excess epoxy and reinforce edges with additional resin to prevent moisture ingress, sanding smooth once cured. True the surface with a diamond plate or lapping film starting with coarse 400 to 600 grit, then moving to 1,000 to 3,000 grit for polishing. Test flatness with a straight edge and use light strokes to avoid new fractures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.